Here we're sitting inside the all-new 2024 Mustang Mach-E Rally, and we're going to be talking about one of the biggest differences on this car is that they've integrated a new drive mode into the Rally edition of this car, that being the Rally Sport mode. And to get to the Rally Sport mode, you're going to press on the screen. It'll be through the screen right here. You go up to the car button, and then you have to be in the right conditions for this car. So what Rally Sport mode will do is that it will adjust your traction control, your stability control, and regenerative braking as well. The chassis is a little bit stiffened just for this. It gives you more performance, more handling, and it drives a lot better off-road. That's mainly what this mode is for. When you want to take faster turns, you get more yaw when you're taking those turns, you slide more, and it's just an overall better handling experience. You don't want to have a super loose car when you're driving off-road, but you don't want to have it be too stiff as well. So that's exactly what this mode is for. So right here, there's a button. It's the third button down. It says Rally Sport. You just press that button on. So we'll press that right now. And as soon as I do that, I can feel the car. Honestly, you can hear it. There's some clicking sounds that go up front, but I really like that, and I think it's a smart move by Ford to go for this. You don't see this in normal cars, normal road-going cars. So to see this in a car you can buy just off the lot, I think it's a really cool feature, and I'm excited to try this out.